Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Coinbase app to buy crypto in the USA. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your smartphone's app store. For Android users, go to the Google Play Store. For iPhone users, navigate to the Apple App Store. In the search bar, type Coinbase. Look for the Coinbase app in the search results. Verify that it is the official app by checking the publisher's name. Tap on the Install or Get button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, locate the Coinbase app on your home screen. Tap to open the app. If you already have an account, select Log In. If you're new, select Get Started to create a new account. Follow the prompts to enter your email address and set a secure password. Verify your email by checking your inbox for a confirmation email. Click the link in the email to confirm your account. Return to the Coinbase app and log in using your credentials. Complete any additional identity verification as required. Now you're set to start buying cryptocurrency. Explore the app's features and navigate through the markets. Select your desired cryptocurrency and follow the prompts to make a purchase. Make sure to review your transaction details before confirming the purchase. Once completed, you can monitor your investments directly through the app. Enjoy your journey into the world of cryptocurrency with Coinbase. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.